I will not defer. I've come before you to resolve this attack on our sovereignty now. I was not elected to watch my people suffer and die while you discuss this invasion in a committee. If this body is not capable of action, I suggest new leadership is needed. I move for a vote of no confidence in Chancellor Valorum's leadership.
Henceforth, you shall be known as Bok Vader.
I pledge myself to your teachings, Master.
Good. Now rise, Bok Vader.
Come here to turn her against me.
You have done that yourself.
You will not take her away from me.
Anakin, your arrogance and lust for power have already done that. Anakin, my allegiance is to the Republic, to democracy.
If you're not with me, then you are against me.
Only a Sith Lord deals in absolutes. I will do what I must.
You will try. Ah!
It's over, Anakin. I have the high ground.
Don't underestimate my power.
Don't do it.
Ah! I hate you.
You were my brother, Anakin. I loved you.
Lord Vader, can you hear me?
Yes, Master. Where is Padme? Is she safe? Is she all right?
It seems in your anger, you killed her.
I couldn't. She was alive. I felt it.
Kenobi, you're my only hope.
This is not the droid you're looking for.
These aren't the droids we're looking for.
Go ahead, move along.
Move along.
Alright, let's prepare for lightspeed. Punch it, Chewie! The Force is strong with you, but you are not a Jedi yet. Okay.
My hand.
No.
My hand. My hand. He told me you killed him.
No, I am your brother.
No, that's impossible!
firing range in 7 minutes. Rebel base 1 minute and closing. Rebel base 30 seconds and closing.
I'm on the video.
Hang on now, too.
Use the Force, Luke. Let go.
Now you're still on the way. You're in the way.
Stay. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Go ahead.
Help me up, Obi.
Okay, go ahead.
Help me.
Henceforth, you shall be known as Darth.
No, Bark Vader.
Oh yeah.
Okay, stop.
Let me take you ready.
I will not condone the push of war by my people.
What?
Okay, prepare for light speed. Chewie, punch it.
Anytime?
Mm-hmm.
Get in character. I don't know if I could do it. Get on there. You gotta look up, okay? Ready?
All right, prepare for light speed. Punch it, Chewie.
Did you do it?
Yeah, but
Okay, I'm going.
I will not condone the push of war.
You gotta hear it though.
Good. Recording.
Luke, the Force is strong with you, but you are not a Jedi yet.
No,